What's up, everyone? Welcome to another episode of Packs in Parking Lots. Was traveling through Boston on this cold day, found some street parking. I was like, hey, why not open a pack of Temporal Forces? Let's see what we get. Gonna guess water, steel, needed that a couple days ago. We have a Ghastly, the Elgin, that's interesting. Sizzlepede, so cute. Meryl. Mist Energy, that's perfect for this. That's awesome. A Sawsbuck. Siffermanix Code Breaking. A Reller. A Caudony. And an Iron Valiant. Future. Thanks, guys.